To a church that's relying on donors, you don't need Daniel and Revelation. You have already sold out the church. Because stewardship is a very important and a crucial pillar of this church. Tingaite theology yes to go as yes, but as long as tisiri pazano ra Mwari, kana tisiri pazano ra Mwari, the theology is not going to help us. Because theology haifana kuti wana chechi ya Mwari iri mumaoko ari safe. Ingachiti chechi ya Mwari tiri kutaura mapillars. Now theologians are even challenging the very pillars of our faith. Takunzwa ma-theologians challenge even kuti ungaita vakadzi vangani. We never thought it would be a discussion. We thought it was so fundamental that mwana ari kumapathfinder should know. But the reason why it's being challenged is because we have subcontracted the responsibility of yedu. And now we no longer have a voice. But I see stewardship to the family. In whose hands are the pillars of your family? Education is a very important pillar of your family. But in whose hands is the education of your family? In whose hands is the pillar, re-education of your own children? Who decides what they get to be taught? Who decides information on Fanaguziva? Media is a very important pillar. Now that varume vazhinji vava busy and mari akungowanikao. Saka vanhu vari kubva vanotenga mascreen ma100 inch screen riya television handirika. But the unfortunate part is we have no say mune zviri pa100 inch. If you read the history of media, when the television started, you'll find that 90% of the television stations, even in America, belonged to churches. But the devil has replaced the churches. And